it was coming from on my face. Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 6. I just woke up this morning and went to get a little coffee. This is technically called a Nuttyville latte, which sounds crazy, but it's literally just hazelnut and chocolate, so it's kind of like a little Nutella latte. I've had it once before. It's really, really good, and I love it. So I treated myself and John to hot coffee this morning. I feel like we've been really good about not buying coffee out, so I feel like it could be like a fun little Sunday treat that we do instead. And I just didn't feel like making my own coffee this morning, so cheers to that. Literally so good. Anyways, it's Sunday and I'm gonna be spending the first half of the day. It's now like 11 o'clock. We slept until 10:30, but that's beside the point. I'm gonna be spending the rest of the morning and the first half of the afternoon doing schoolwork because I have school due today. Haven't finished it yet, need to submit it, and I just want it out of the way. I also want to finally bring some stuff to the storage unit because we haven't been yet, and I also want to eventually make my way into Manhattan to return the Abercrombie pants because I'll be out of town next weekend. So now is like really the only time that I can do it. So we have a busy Sunday agenda, but I just wanted to quickly intro the vlog, say welcome back. Welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Oh, our internet is not good today.
Really?
It's not loading at all. I don't know, there's nothing we can do other than to call them and ask for an update on our building.
Yeah.
It's kind of like out of our hands. It's nothing to do with our unit, but like literally it's taking 2 minutes to load something that should take 10 seconds.
Yeah. You could try the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. Maybe that would be faster.
I'm thinking about going downstairs and just using Verizon.
Yeah.
Actually changing plans. Our Wi-Fi is being really wacky this morning and I just don't have the patience for it. So I'm actually gonna pack up a little bag and go downstairs and work in our lobby because our building has Verizon. So it's different than the current company that we use in our unit, and I've said that multiple times and you guys are tired of hearing about it. So this is the last time I'm talking about it. But I need it for YouTube and I also need it for school, and if I don't have either of those, then there's nothing for me to do this morning, and I have to do them because both need to be up today. So I'm gonna go pack a little bag and we're gonna lobby this morning. Hopefully it's not reserved. Sometimes it's reserved on Sundays for birthday parties and stuff, but I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that December 4th is not a popular birthday in this building. We're getting ready to head out to Manhattan, but I really quickly wanted to do a little outfit of the day, so set this up. All right, pants are Princess Polly. They're the Archer pants. I'm wearing my Air Force One shadows. This top is Abercrombie. Necklace is Guarjana. I know that that's not how you pronounce it, but that's how I pronounce it. And then this jacket I've literally had since I think I was in high school. It's Anne Klein, and I haven't worn it in a few years, but I figured it would be kind of cute because the buttons are black, so they match like the sweater and the pants, but the gray gives like a nice little contrast. And then my hoops are my everyday hoops. This one is from Guarjana, these are from Madewell, and yeah, that's it. That's the little outfit. Very cute. We're gonna go to Abercrombie like I mentioned, then we're gonna probably go to Uniqlo and Zara if possible, but we'll see. Fifth Avenue I think is technically shut off, which could either make it less chaotic or more chaotic with people walking around. So stay tuned, but either way I'm just glad to be finally returning these Abercrombie pants. Okay, we're back from 5th Ave. We've been back for a little bit. I just made dinner and popped it into the oven. I think it needs to cook for like 5 more minutes. Rockefeller, 5th Avenue, Abercrombie return, basically epic fail. I mean, we got to see the tree, so that was cool because we hadn't seen the tree yet this year, but the line in Abercrombie was absolutely absurd. It was basically giving the same vibe as when Zara permanently closed their dressing room, so everyone would just buy clothes in the store and then return them also in the store, and the lines would be absurd. Like, that was the same vibe that Abercrombie was getting, except for the fact that the dressing rooms were open. So legitimately there were just so many people checking out in there that it was insanity. I don't know why there's only one Abercrombie in all of New York. That has never made sense to me. I feel like they should really open one up along like Soho or Vidi or literally Hudson Yards. Like, let's open one up in Hudson Yards. Why does there only need to be one, and why does it have to be on 5th Ave? It's like the worst place for it. So I now have beef with Abercrombie because I wasn't even able to make my return because the line literally would have taken 45 minutes to just return one single item. So I'm just gonna suck it up and pay for the $7 return shipping, which sucks, but it is what it is. And then we went to Uniqlo, as you guys saw. We are trying out their little heat tech shirts because we're going on a few ski trips, as I've mentioned a few times. And I don't have any like Under Armour stuff anymore because I don't play sports anymore. So we're trying out their little heat tech gear that's very popular this year, and I'm very excited for it. They had the samples out in the store and literally they feel so warm, so I'm excited to try that out. And then I went to Zara, but I never have good luck at Zara. I always see people finding the cutest shirts and pants and skirts and stuff like that at Zara, and I literally never have good luck there. I don't know if I just don't have the patience to sit there and pick stuff out and try things on, but I just feel like every time I go in there it's a miss. So we saw the Rockefeller tree, then we left. Also wouldn't recommend trying to see the Rockefeller tree on a Sunday, the first weekend it opens. That was a rookie mistake on my part, 100%, trying to see the tree this specific weekend, especially on a Sunday. That's like a Tuesday, 2 weeks in to the tree being up sort of ordeal, but I just didn't have any patience. So that's been our night so far. Also, can we talk about how my eyebrows look literally crazy? Why didn't you tell me my eyebrows look like this? I tried to fill them in with the pencil that I bought yesterday from CVS, and I feel like I penciled them in way too dark. I mean, it technically matches my hair, but I'm just so used to my eyebrows being practically non-existent that this is like such a weird sight to me. Also, they're just like not the same shape because I don't get my eyebrows done because I don't really need to. So that's the update. I'm very hungry. I'm super excited to try this dinner because it's actually a recipe that my mom gave me. She made me like this little cookbook when I went to college, and I just recently discovered it when we moved because in my old apartment, it was on the top of the fridge where I couldn't see it or reach it. So we're making, or I made steak and potatoes in little foil packets, and they smell really, really good. So I'm very excited to try them. And yeah, that is the current situation. Also, this backgrounds are really cute right now with the brick and half the tree and then the little skyline in the background. It's very beautiful. Okay, steak taste test first. Good? Mm-hmm. Is the seasoning good? Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Pretty good. Yours is a little more pink than mine.
Yeah.
Is that okay? You like yours rare?
Yeah, but like, that's fine. It tastes good.
You can always pop it back in the oven for more, I guess, if you wanted to.
It's good.
This one's well, so it's like, I guess it just depends on maybe the size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want to try the potatoes. Potatoes may have needed, so the directions were like, you can either boil the potatoes for 5 minutes before putting them on the sheet or not.
Mm-hmm.
And I decided not, so I'm wondering if that was maybe not the best idea.
I think 5 minutes wouldn't do much.
Hmm?
5 minutes wouldn't do much.
Not bad, the potatoes aren't my favorite.
A little tough.
Okay, potatoes were kind of a fail. Steak was good. I think next time I need to boil the potatoes before putting them in the oven with the steak.